Hi guys! It's another hot day, but it's windy, so it's good. It's nice. And not much hot inside the house. So like right now, I'm getting cuttings of mulberries from my mulberries here in the farm because I'm going to rehome Billy today, Billy and Jake, and the buyer is like starting out a new farm. He's buying goats from everywhere in Mindanao, and he's also like me before. I wanted to like just plant inside the farm feeds for the goats, so like we don't have to go out every time it rains, or like it's some lesser cost to feed them if we have it inside the farm. So these guys are just giving it to him for free because I cannot he wanted to really buy a volume, guys, but like some of the plants are under some experiment of mine and because I will have mamas, like from time to time I have mamas giving birth in the farm, so like I just have to like stock up because this is not much. I'm still planting and still keep planting, and just for this buyer, because I'm gonna have a new Billy soon to give a rest. This will be a young stud, but like I need to change the bloodline, guys. So I have planted few days ago and some are already growing, and I'm gonna give this to him for free just to make sure Billy is getting fed with the proper. But I know it's gonna take time to grow these, guys, because like this one I planted in December when I bought Billy, and I expected to harvest in September, but I already started harvesting in June when it started to rain last year. So I'm hoping he will have the same like time frame of the harvest. Like some are really like grow this over a month height before they harvest, but for me, guys, they branch out quicker if you cut them early. So this is how it looks now, guys. Like I think for some of my followers who also follows the Aussie farming in the Philippines, when I planted this, guys, like I did some bagging over this septic tank here, which is my nursery before when the sun is still over that side of the world, but now it's changed direction, so I cannot have this area as my nursery anymore. And so let's get some mulberry cuttings, see what we can, like at least 2 dozens I want to give him if I can still get more, but I see some already, so let's see. I see a nest here. This is the biggest mulberry I have in the farm, and it has a nest, so that's why it grows. Because it every time there's a nest here in this. See this one? So this branch and this branch. Well, others are just like this. Just one. That's one. These are just some cuttings that I just put on the sides, guys, and they grow easy. Like I just stick to the soil a rooted branch on a rainy season, or like rainy successive 3 days is enough for me, and the second day I plant, that's all growing now. So that easy, guys, very easy. There's more in some areas. So let's see, guys, because this is a big branch. We cut some branches in this tree. But let's check this first. Hello, little one! Look at this. It's alive. Oh yes, it's moving. Hello. Okay, so I won't cut anymore. Hello, baby. Like before, it's in this branch here. And like, look at this. I've been cutting this many times, and oh, it's looking for mama. It's looking for mama, and I don't have any food to give it. Oh my, oh my. Oh. Guys, I don't see any mama here. Hello? Where's your mama? I don't know. Like, really, I don't know. Woohoo. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be looking for something for the baby. I don't know what to give it. Hi, guys. Back. I have Ai with me here to help me because I'm gonna feed it with some rice. I'm gonna feed the bird some rice, and I have Ai here with me because I'm trying to look for worms in the lemon trees. I can't find any worms. I tried to like give it 3 minutes to wait for the mama because the baby is already like really looking for food, and there's no bird checking on the baby bird. So let's see, guys. Still nothing. I'm like 7 meters away from the nest, so like nothing, no bird around checking on the baby. So let's just try to drop some when it opens its mouth. Let's just try to drop some rice. Let's see if it takes this rice. Right. Kada ay. Wait ha. Ay. Tanawa ko basig mapandol ka diha. Okay, sunda lang ko. So man na. Umo diha. Hello. Tanawa ay.
Saan siya?
Walay man sanita sa inyong haay?
Wala.
Sarado na. Bulunan. Sige na. Dako ram siguro kaya akong nahatag eh. Na, gamay. Tulon siya ay. Okay, more baby ah. Wala lang ito. Alam mo, ngayon po siya ay. You like? Na. Uy, kakugyanin mo mukhaan di ego pa.
Nagputo na kita na sa balay. Matuin lang ito, namatay.
Gibiyaan to sa mama.
Gani.
Okay, give it here, ha? You try to survive, ha? Hindi yan ang mama mo ko, anak, kung balikan
Gani.
ko siya. Na, like that, ha? Dako ra? Okay. Hold man siya ay. Tulon. You see that, guys? He knows already how to swallow food. So like I'll just leave the food here Because maybe the mama is coming also later. Or she forgets with her little brain. I don't know. So many. Okay. Thank you, I. Aray. So guys, thank you, I. So guys, let's continue with our Madre de Agua journey. I think it will live if it just it knows how to swallow its food, guys. And it's cooked rice, not hard, so I should be tender to its belly, right? Okay, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna finish this Madre de Agua. So guys, yesterday afternoon I already cut some mulberries because the buyer of the goats wanted to plant also some mulberries in his farm, and also Madre de Agua and Napier, but my Napier here is still growing. My Marama it's a variety of Napier, it says in the reference links that I've seen in the internet. So I just want to show you guys what I cut for the Madre de Agua. So like this one, guys, William doesn't want those Madre de Agua branch that's in the ground because it gets hit by the mower. So what I do, I just trim it off like this one, and this will thrive, guys, like those ones I've shown before and earlier, like little cuttings. Rainy days, I just put in the soil, stick into the soil, and it grows. Let's see another one, this one. So how I cut, I don't like really cut in this part. I cut here so like it will start to the roots will grow. Even on top it thrives, because this one is even like just hanging on the tree, and it, you know, it grows longer over time. So all these have roots like this one. So you just put it on the ground like that, on a wet ground, and shaded ground. It survives easy like this one. So like what I do, I stick it like that, and like make sure that this doesn't get hurt or like move or like removed, you know what I mean. So like this, guys, you just stick it like this. I started with doing it in bags, but that was when I bought it from the dairy farm. I got my cuttings from the dairy farm, where I got Billy. That was at the same time. And like right now, I'm just cutting it from the branch and sticking to the ground. So I have so many now, guys, and just from my own cuttings. So that's it for now, guys. Say hi, Han. Don't hide.
I need these slippers to get the ladder.
So it's lunchtime, guys. Cooking time for me. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications.